Welcome to Research That Matters, where we talk about what the latest science and research says about topics that matter to you. I'm Dr. Chris Freitag with Lavaca County Chiropractic in Hallettsville, Texas, and today we are talking about finding relief after an auto accident without drugs or surgery. So, you've just been involved in a car accident. Your day has been thrown upside down, and a million thoughts are racing through your head. If you don't feel immediate pain, you may be tempted to think you don't have a problem. But waiting too long to seek care has been shown to increase the chances you'll need more aggressive intervention later. With the stress of an accident, calling the insurance companies, getting the car repaired, etc., it's not uncommon for people to make the mistake of putting their health and well-being last on the to-do list. Taking the right action steps as quickly as possible after a car accident can make a huge difference in your overall health and healing. Without a proper diagnosis and treatment, your body may begin to heal, but with more scar tissue than necessary. What's more, trying to compensate for your injuries can cause additional stress on other parts of your body, which can lead to additional injuries. Research has shown that active care involving range of motion, mobility, and strengthening exercises can effectively reduce pain. To give yourself the best chance to find relief without the need for drugs or surgery, we recommend 3 simple steps. First, get an evaluation. A complete evaluation can provide you with an accurate diagnosis and treatment plan. Second, begin receiving care. After reducing inflammation, movement-based techniques are often recommended to help you regain your quality of life. And third, stay consistent. Getting well is a process, and staying consistent with your care will help you heal as quickly as possible. There's no way around it. Auto accidents are not fun. However, with the right healthcare team, you can get back to your full life and activities without the need for drugs or surgery. The key is in sticking to the 3 steps we just discussed. The simple plan will give you the best chance to get well quickly and stay well for years to come. Thank you for joining me today for your latest episode of Research That Matters. Click the like and the follow button to make sure that you continue to receive the latest updates, and click the share button and pass this information on to your family and friends so that they can make the most informed decisions about their health. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.